In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset and format a BYJU'S SD card. So just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is go down to the Windows search bar and type in Disk Manager. And once you see it at the top, just click on it to open it. Now, when Disk Management opens, what you want to do next is locate your SD card from the list of drives, so make sure you select the correct one. Now, once you find the SD card, just right-click on it, and from the menu, select Format. Now, when the Format window opens, you need to choose the correct file system. So if your SD card is 64 gigabytes, select exFAT. And if your SD card is 32 gigabytes, select FAT32. Now, make sure the option Perform a Quick Format is checked, and once that's done, just click OK to start the formatting process. Now wait a few seconds for the format to complete, and once it's done, your BYJU'S SD card will be fully reset and ready to use. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.